stage 1. As you can see, I glue the foam surround on the cone. There's a bit of excess of glue, but it will be invisible later on. It's white, but it will be, it's water-based glue, so it should be okay. I did a little thing to bring the cone out. I made a little template. It's a bit hard to see because it's in situ, but this one actually pushes up the speaker a bit up. It's just to make it easier to glue. It's quite hard to do because you have to more or less center the foam surround, but isn't that easy. But well, we see. It's the first one I do, and I can always buy another surround and start all over again. Bye for now.